Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite Diva here, back with another video, and I'm so excited to finally be sitting down and filming. As you guys can see, if you're new here, you won't notice, but I have a whole new setup. Girl, I'm obsessed with it. I feel like I look so much more HD. I need a new mic, but my mic sucks. I'm sorry if this audio isn't absolutely perfect, but it's coming. As you guys are from today's title, we are gonna be unboxing the mystery box from Jeffree Star. I tried to get the Supreme box, but you guys know that sold out instantly. So we are trying the deluxe box, and yeah, I'm so excited. I have been obsessed with mystery boxes since I was a kid. My grandma used to always buy me little Lego mystery boxes, and I was obsessed with them. So when Jeffree came out with this, I was like, yes, please. Jeffree Star Cosmetics is really the only brand that I feel like should be doing this, because they're the only brand I feel like that can really be that bitch. So I'm excited. I love the color. It's so cute. And I also got the smaller box, which I'm going to be giving away in today's video. So please stay tuned for that. I'll have that towards the end of today's video. I'll insert it secretly so y'all can't be skipping. But yeah, I'm so excited to go ahead and get started. As you can see, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big old thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below about what you guys think about mystery boxes. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so, period. I had 5 phones trying to get that dang Supreme box, but unfortunately, it just wasn't meant to be. But I'm so grateful to be able to get the deluxe box. Let's go ahead and cut this, but I'm so excited. But before I jump in and open it, do you guys notice that these hearts look like the Kat Von D perfume bottle? I just thought that was funny. I know Jeffree don't give a fuck about her and ain't paying attention to her, and I know it's absolutely coincidental, whatever that word is, but I just thought it was funny. Kind of looks similar to me. Opening. Oh, girl, music to my ears. Music starts playing. Da, 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 da. Ah! Oh my god! I already noticed 2 sickening things. That, oh, love. It's over. This hat is so cute. The inside is so cute too. Okay, this hat is actually so cute. I would totally wear this. Oh my god, there is so much stuff in here. I'm shook. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys. So it was like this, packaged like this. The hat was on top of the shirt, so I didn't really see much yet. Girl, so we have a shirt and a hat already. Oh my god, that is so cute. I've never had Jeffree merch before. I think so. I'm gagging. Hi, how are ya? Period. I'm so excited. That's awesome. Period. That's badass. And you know Jeffree's the only one to be able to do shit like this. I see something that looks exclusive, but I'll wait. So here is the gloss Legends Only. You guys know this is my favorite gloss from Jeffree. It's bomb. Oh my god, I'm like so happy already. You guys, this is my favorite gloss from him. The shade is everything, just looks like nut on your lips. I'm obsessed. Okay, then we got this. Let's see what this is. I don't have this. Yay. Oh my god. I'm getting, oh my god, I'm so shocked. I was about to buy these. Oh my god, we have straws. I have paper straws at my house, so I'm excited. I have metal ones. Oh my gosh. Guys, this eyeshadow palette is so sickening. Sarcophagus. Oh wow. Ooh, it came off a little chalky because I put so much on my finger, but damn, that is so blinding, you guys. I'm gonna put everything on my face as well. Sorry, I'm so excited. Like I said, I get so excited about these types of things. So far, we have a hat, a t-shirt, a highlighting palette, and a lip gloss. I know the lip gloss and the highlighting palette is already probably like 60 bucks. Plus these, I think, are 18. Girl, this is good. Like, this is hella stuff. I'm shook. Okay, I will say I already have like 8 of these. I have so many of the mini breakers, but I do love the mini breaker. Maybe I'll do like a mini giveaway on IG or something. Oh my god, I'm like so shook right now. My heart's racing. I need some water. I don't have any. Now this is the exclusive shade of a lipstick. Shake before use. You guys know I love Jeffree's formula. Velour liquid lipstick. Vegan, blah blah blah. A metallic like red. It like kind of shifts pink. Oh, that is sickening. Ooh, it doesn't smell the best, but who gives a fuck? Now this is his metallic formula, which is a little bit more sheer. You kind of have to double up, but honestly I don't mind. Wow, that color is so, oh, that color is everything. And then last but not least, we have a Jeffree mirror. I think this is from a holiday collection. Honestly, these mystery boxes are so smart for brands. I feel like mystery boxes are so good for like if you have extra product, you know? And that you're trying to get rid of. Girl, it won't open. Let me see the mirror. This mirror is so sickening. Oh my god. I actually really love this. Zachary! Come here! Girl, look how all this shit I got. I got this dang mirror. Oh, a mini breaker. Straws. This. The exclusive lipstick. Lip gloss.
What lip gloss did you get?
Legends Only, the only sickening one.
You got the Valentine's Day t-shirt?
The Valentine's Day t-shirt. And then a hat.
That's sickening. That's a lot of
That's so much. Okay, so this was $100. So I definitely got my money's worth. I feel like these alone is like $100, right? I would assume so. So I think I got like probably almost $300 worth of product, I think. I'm just shook. Okay, let's go ahead and just use some of the product. I have used this before. I did enjoy it. The shade Sarcophagus, you guys watch. Jeffree's highlights are just... Okay, so that's what we're doing. Jeffree just does not come to play. Okay, so cute. Let me put on this lip. I'm excited. I'm kind of been feeling the whole red fantasy recently. Oh, it's a little bit more purpley, kinda. I feel like Jeffree's like the only brand that's like doing new shit. Like I feel like everyone just does the same old and it gets so annoying. I love how thin his lipsticks are, you guys. I just feel like they're so good. I feel like the metallic formula is a little bit more slipperier. Why can't I say it? Slipperier. Okay, get it. I feel like it's a little bit more slipperier. Oh my god, I can't say it, which is not a bad thing or a good thing. I mean, it's just like a texture. I like it, you guys. This is really cute. Definitely using that for a look. I'm so happy with this. Like, I'm genuinely shook. So I'm not gonna put on the eyeshadow because I believe I already have a tutorial using the eyeshadow palettes. I should use the highlight. The brush, again, is sickening. The clothes are sickening. I'm so excited for that. I'm so excited for these straws. I didn't even know he came out with green straws. Are these exclusive? I don't know. But I love the green straws. They're so cute. I was literally about to buy the pink ones at the Morphe store today. Use code divas at Morphe, by the way. Anyways. Oh my gosh, I just realized I forgot to do the second coat. Don't touch your lips together with the metallic formula because it will transfer and it will look streaky. That looks so good, you guys. I'm like obsessed with this color. I wish it was an eyeshadow. That'd be so sick. Okay guys, and that concludes today's video. I look crazy. I am just so happy with this, you guys. I'm genuinely shocked. I'm genuinely like so shook, and I'm honestly so proud and so happy. I just feel like Jeffree really gave back, and of course I'm buying as a subscriber and as a friend of Jeffree, and I just think, you know, it's just so cool to me to see him give back so much. I mean, I just feel like I was kind of taken care of in a way. Like, I spent $100 and this has to be at least over $250, almost $300 worth of things, and I just think that's insane, and I just really look up to him for that, and he just is that bad bitch. I'm so happy for him. Again, I do have a smaller box on the way, and I'd love to give it back to you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big old thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, let me know where you're from, and also follow me on IG because that's where I'll be announcing the winner. I usually don't announce the winners, but I feel like for this one, I really want to, just because I know this is kind of a big deal, and again, I just want to get back to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy with everything I got. I will definitely be putting all this to use. And yeah, so thank you guys again for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you divas in the next one. Bye everyone.